So good morning, friends. We are discussing the multivariate GARCH. So today I'm going to start the session with the estimation of BEKK model in REDS. Yesterday we have seen that how we can calculate BEKK model in EViews and R. So in R we are having a problem that we are not getting the asymmetric results. In EViews we are getting the results. Similarly, let's try to get the results in REDS. So I installed the trial version of REDS. So when you this is the trial version, and when you run WinRed 64, so this kind of page will open. So initially you have to import the data set. So go to the data. First of all, open a new editor window. So here you can write the codes, and there are some menu driven commands also. So go to data, other formats, and the data should be in CSV format. If you open the data in Excel format, it will not take. So let me try to get the data. So we are having the GARCH data, and it is in CSV format. So you can see that the CSV format is identified by written A here. So I can open this data set. Okay, now the data is open. So first of all, you have to give some commands like the first row, you can see it is the name of the variable. So just click one here. Now software assume that these are the name of the variables. Okay. And if you want to set target date, then you can continue with the undated data, but you can also set the data set. Suppose my data set is the daily data. It is started from 19th January 19, and it is January, and the day is 21. So the data is started from 19th January, 21st January 19, 21st January 19, Monday. Periods per week 5. Okay, so this is the type of the data set, and you just click OK. Now the software is asking for the variable name. So the first variable is date. Okay. The second variable is Nifty. Okay. The third variable is NASDAQ, and the another variable is SSC. So these are the name of the variables. So you can see that data is here. Now we are going to apply the BEKK model. So in time series, ARCH, GARCH, multivariate, and the variables we can take here. So we are taking the variables Nifty and NASDAQ. So first we start with the 2. Okay. Now the model type. Model, there are different model available here. So going to the BEKK model, BEKK, Baba Angel Kroner model. And if you need asymmetric effect, you just click on this. Let's run without asymmetric effect first. And the result you will get here. So all the results which we are getting, which we are expecting, are here. So we are having the constant, we are having the A is representing the news effect, B is representing the persistence effect. So we already discussed the model yesterday. And now if we want asymmetric effect, then you can again go back to time series, ARCH, GARCH, multivariate. Now click on asymmetric effect and click OK. So after this command, you will also get the asymmetric effect. So the problem which we were facing yesterday, we are getting the result, complete result in REDS. So all the results, you can see that we are getting the constant, we are getting the news effect, we are getting the effect of persistence on the volatility, we are getting the asymmetric effect, and D is representing the asymmetric effect. It is significant. And the coefficient 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2, 1 and 2, 2 means the 1, 1 is the in itself. D 1, 2 means the asymmetric effect in market 1 impacting the covariance between the two. 2, 2 means the asymmetric effect in second market. And 2, 1 means the impact of the asymmetric effect in series 2 on the covariance between the two markets. So in this way, we can interpret all the coefficients. Similarly, you go to the GARCH multivariate, and so one thing which I want to say you that is kindly see the coefficient in BEKK model, and we are going to compare with dynamic conditional correlation. So when I get the dynamic conditional correlation, the number of coefficients are less. So it is so you can see that the number of coefficients are less. So let me calculate one more thing. Because in DCC, let's run without asymmetric effect. So this is the result we actually want. So if I copy this result, this is the result of DCC GARCH. Yeah. So let it put in the PPT. If you compare the result of DCC with BEKK, the number of coefficient in DCC is less. And we can see the coefficient C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2, and DCC A and DCC B. And simply, this model is very, very simple. So what is C, what is A, what is B, what is DCC A? If you understand these results, so I think the purpose is done.